Art and Cook channel. Today we will see how to prepare lemon rasam. If you are suffering from cold, fever or cough, then here is the best recipe to get relief. It's a very simple and easy recipe which can be prepared in 5 minutes. Let's see the ingredients required. We require turmeric 1 tablespoon, mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, chana dal 1 tablespoon, urad dal 1 tablespoon, coriander finely chopped, green chili 1 which I have slit into 2 pieces, salt as required, curry leaves, jaggery a small piece, water as required, lemon 1 and 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's see the process. Firstly, add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, add a tablespoon of mustard seeds, a tablespoon of urad dal, a tablespoon of chana dal, curry leaves, and fry it till it splutters. Once it starts spluttering, add a tablespoon of turmeric and then add 2 glasses of water. Then add a small piece of jaggery. Turmeric has a Ayurvedic content which makes you feel relief during cold, cough and fever. Add some salt. Now add the green chili and allow it to boil. Once it starts boiling, add finely chopped coriander and turn off the flame. Finally add 1 complete lemon. Lemon rasam is ready to serve. You can just drink it or have it with rice.